Cotton, Brenda Liutario. Cotton, Madam Brenda, new minor. Pasan kami details, ma'am ha. Name, address, mobile number, tapos down payment po. Madam Brenda, yours na to me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yours na to me, ha? Oh, another extra small to small branded by Zara, Madam Vey. Okay, cotton linen din yung tela nito. Pakimono, extra small to small ni Zara. Code ako bilog. Bilog, 380 pesos. Code is bilog. Okay, next, small zipper back, branded ba, brand new by Misguided, sorry. Size 6 on tag to ha, small lang. Okay, extra small to small, brand new by Misguided po. Code ako ng brand new, 380. Extra small to small lang to ha. Okay, zipper back, tapos pa-puff, ganda yun. Nawala? Mildred Green. Yes, kasha to sa 36 bust, mahal. Kasha to sa 36. Large on tag to, bebe. Yes, kaya sa 36 bust. Pasan na lang ako details niya. Name, address, and mobile number. Tapos pa screenshot po. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yours na to, mahal. Miss Mildred, thank you so much. Pa-confirm na lang ako, ha. Ay, ang ganda nito. Extra small to small, cotton on the go. Extra small to small, cotton on, mahal. Garter yung bewang. Code ako dito na, ang ganda. Code ako sayang. 380, code ako sayang. 380 sayang. Ano pa ba si Vey? Miss Vey, baka bet mo ng ramper na extra small to small na magaganda talaga. Pangmalakasan. Let me know kasi ang dami kong extra small to small. Okay, next. Speaking of extra small to small, adjustable strap, full smack, dusty blue ang color. Branded by Blossom. Size 6 on tag. Kaya ito hanggang small, ha. Code ako dito ng Blossom. Small, code is Blossom. 380 adjustable strap. Code is Blossom. Code Blossom. Ganda nun. Sayang. Elaine, yours na si Sayang. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yours na to, bebe. Small lang si Sayang, mahal. Small. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Yours na to, bebe. Alin, Mima?
Balik mo ako dyan sa ganyan. Iba kasi dito tinanong, kailangan ito pumunta.